How to upload music to Spotify. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to upload your own music to Spotify. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Spotify app and head over to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Once here, scroll all the way down until you see the local files option. So switch this option on. It will then ask you if you allow Spotify to access your photos and media on your device. So tap on allow. Once you've tapped this on, then head over to your library by clicking on the Your Library button at the bottom. Here you can tap on local files by tapping on the icon on the left. And here, these are the local files that are on my phone. So I can actually add them to the playlist, add to the queue, and download them to my Spotify app and play them whenever I like. And that's all it takes to upload music to Spotify. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.